Okay, so you guys, I just wanted to make my own protein powder because I don't have everything that they have on YouTube. So this is what I have. I got some milk flaxseed, chia seeds. I love chia seeds, and I have some almond flour. I'm also going to use a pinch of cocoa powder and cinnamon. So I'm just going to one-fourth cup flaxseed milk. You don't have to buy your milk. You can buy regular flax seeds. I have regular flax seeds as well. A half a cup of almond flour. Well, I'll say like right above a third, because like I didn't fill it all the way. I have a tablespoon of stevia, which is a natural sweetener. No cinnamon, so I have some ginger. I'm just gonna put a couple shakes up in there. And now we're ready to blend. Alright, time to blend. Shake it up some. So it's starting to look a little bit more blended. I'm gonna blend it for a little bit more and then I'll come back. So here it is. Like I said, nothing too fancy, just a little protein powder to go into my smoothies. Just to give me that extra protein. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. Simply because. Okay, so here's my own. Okay, so I tasted it. It's good. It's good on its own. I mean, if you're not a sugar fanatic, you don't need no sugar in it. I guess because of the little tiny bit of stevia I put in the protein powder, the protein shake isn't so bland. But I do want a little flavor in mine. I just need a little pick me up. So I'm going to add some organic wildflower honey.